Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I hope you had a great trading day today. Now we will straight away try and understand what is happening in the market. So overall picture अगर मैं देखता हूँ तो right now I can see something like a channel formation happening. Okay, this is moving in a channel formation, right? So wherever you have learned your trading and price actions, this is what I have learned, right? So whenever there is a pattern which is channel ways, it is moving, so it has to break this particular thing, right, and then go like this, right? This is supposed to be an ideal way of breakout for a channel. Similarly, if the price comes down, it has to go in this way, right? So on an overall picture, this is what it is looking, right? Okay, not necessary it will happen, but this is how it should ideally happen. All right, now let's go and understand in a very shorter time frame and see what is happening. Now look at it, it's forming in a channel. So whenever the channel breaks out, takes a retracement, and hopefully we'll see upside. If it comes back, we'll see whether it takes a support around this level. If it doesn't, then we'll have to see whether it is a downfall in this fashion, right? So either of these can happen in the coming weeks, you can say, because this is not something we are looking for intraday, we are looking overall picture kya hai, right? Now we'll try and understand in a shorter time frame what is happening overall, right? Let's do that. 1 second, right? We'll remove this, we'll remove this, right? So when you remove all the patterns and everything, now it becomes very easy also to understand, right? Whenever you mark these levels. Now for me, how is this important, right? So today's high and low is very important for me, okay, tomorrow, because you need to understand that price opened here, right? 16,520 के आसपास, tried to go downside, right? But yesterday's closing के पास ही price immediately reversed back. That means somebody is sitting very tight at this region, right? ये इस particular region में कोई तो है जो buy करने बैठा है, correct? Now what else can you see? Today's high, obviously that should be an important, because previously if you see here, couple of times the price has reversed or taken some kind of interest amongst buyers and sellers in this zone, right? So today's high will be very important for me. Now we'll go into a smaller time frame, understand in detail, right? So we'll go into 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes also says the same thing. Right now here we can see that there is resistance, the price was moving in a kind of range, right? Now is there anything else I can see? No, nothing. Chalo, we'll go into shorter time frame, correct? So shorter time frame also, if you see, it is moving in this particular zone, right? Yesterday's high low, today's it is becoming into that particular zone, right? How do you trade this, right? Very simple. There is nothing much we can analyze in this, unless we have already seen that there is a line, channel line, right, which is going through in this format, right? Overall on a bigger picture, but on a smaller picture, this is what I can see right now, correct? All right, chalo. Now first setup for me tomorrow is, suppose the price opens here, right? If the price opens in this zone, okay, which is today's high and low ke beech mein, right, then I will be waiting for the prices, because you will see in 1440 days, that is 1 day time frame, you will understand that it is actually a kind of a range formation happening at this zone. Look at this yesterday also and today's also, it is in this particular zone itself, right? So for a zone to break out, right, your particular thing that the prices has to go up, it has to break this zone and then only move out, right? If it opens in between, it will get stuck, right? It has to either with forcefully come down or with forcefully it has to go up, right? So for me tomorrow, specifically tomorrow, if the prices are opening or is trading in the today's range, right, I will not be taking a very heavy betting. All right, we'll go with a smaller or medium quantity sized thing. Now having said that, if suppose the price opens here, right, I would like to see around this zone itself, which is an important level till now, right? If suppose the price opens here and takes a kind of a say gives us a pattern or gives us some kind of a price action setup, we will look forward to buying it. If suppose there is a close below this level, if the price is close below this particular level, with this particular closing candle ke upar stop loss, I would like to see whether we will be able to cover this particular gap that has been created in the last 3 days. right? So there was this gap, it tried to come down, it went up, it today also it came down and went up. So I want to see if the gap is being closed only when a candle closes in 15 minutes time frame below this, above which will be my stop loss, to check whether it will touch your 16,350 levels, right? So this will be my trading setup for tomorrow. If it doesn't happen, right, if it doesn't happen, right, it gives us a price action to go back, we will look forward till this level, right, which is around 16,600 odd levels, right? This is by my setup. Now second setup, if suppose there is a gap up, straight away gap up, right, straight away it gaps up here or here somewhere, right? I will not be interested to take a trade immediately. I will see whether it comes to this zone, which is acting as a resistance as of now, to take a support or not. If it takes a support at this level, maybe I will look forward to buying it. If suppose it doesn't and it falls within today's range, then it's a no trading zone it will become for me, because it is not taking respecting any zones, it is going inside your no trading zone for me, right? Any which way, this is no trading zone for me, correct? So tomorrow if the price opens and comes into this zone, no trading. If it takes a support and starts moving out, we will look forward to buying it, correct? Now what if the price opens flat, right? Flat open हो गया तो क्या करेंगे? तो flat open हो गया तो अगर price, what we will do is, our plan is to wait and watch either side breakout, right? Either side breakout, only then we will look forward to taking a trade. Now you can decide your target prices and everything based on Fibonacci level or based on previous whatever you want to call it as your resistance and everything, but usually this is the trade setups I will try to take, provided you get a setup like this, right? If it breaks either the high low or if it takes a support at this zone, this is what I will look forward to do it. Now your targets please set for yourself as per your convenience and as per your risk appetites and everything, right? So because usually I got a message from somebody saying, अरे sir, आपका target बहुत बड़ा है, और you know, it depends on you think, I mean how you want to take it here. So usually I look for a bigger target, smaller risk. I hit my stop losses, I'm okay with it. Sometimes, a lot of times I get hit by stop losses because my stop losses are small. So it is a choice that I will leave it to everybody. It's your choice, however you feel good you can take based on your risk to reward ratios. But my entry will be based only when such kind of situation happens, right? So this is what I'm looking out for tomorrow. Again, I will not look at your open interest and everything on Thursday. Usually we start looking from Friday onwards, so we will be there. All right, now just to have a look at it, 1 second, we will also look in futures. I was seeing this particular thing, volumes I was checking it. 1 second. Right, yeah, 16,549. so this is the important level for me, which we have already marked here. If you look at this line, this is where I will be interested. If it takes a support and goes up, we will look for it. If it comes below this, then we will try and see how it kind of reacts. All right, so having said that, this is my trade setups for tomorrow. Have a great Friday and then obviously a great weekend as well. All right, thank you. See you on the other side. Do share, comment and like this particular video. It would really motivate. And if you have any questions, doubts, please do feel free to put it on the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer. All right, see you on the other side. Bye bye.